Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about how to create hyper engaging content for your audience that will help you to get a ton of engagement, to get new clients and to grow your channel. Now you need 3 ingredients for creating hyper engaging content. The first ingredient is you have to tell them something they already know. That has to be your connector. The idea here is that you start with something very simple and you getting them comfortable watching a video because they're just syncing up to understanding your voice, understanding the rhythm of your voice, your accent. And then when you talk about something simple, they can instantly activate their memory and find some parts that they can overlap with their own business, with something they already know, so they feel comfortable and understand where you are. That's you anchoring them at a point in time, in knowledge, and from that point on, you're taking them on a journey. So you're setting the foundation by telling them they already know or are already familiar with. Then the second ingredient that you want to talk about is you're telling them something new. Once you have them all on the same page and you want to get them here, it's easy to plan out the different steps that they have to go through to get from where they are now to where you want them to go. Now this will really help them evaluate what are you all about. If you have something really valuable to teach them, something that is really useful for them, they will instantly understand how valuable your content is, which in return will cause many people to engage with your content, giving your content a like, leaving a comment, sharing something, and that will really help you to spread your content and maybe even take your content viral in some cases. Now the third ingredient that you need is you have to tease future content. Now it's not just enough to create one piece of content. A lot of people will still just subscribe to you or follow you on social media because they saw the value in this one post. You want to create a future projection of what's going to come, and that should be something correlated to what you taught in this video, something that might even be more useful to what you just taught them. So tell them, if you want to watch my next video about topic X, then make sure that you subscribe, turn the notification bell on, hit the follow button, whatever is the case for your platform, and you will see a ton of more people will start subscribing and following your channel. You want to engage with them on an ongoing basis. It's not just enough to have one good video to make someone a new client. You often need like 6 to 8 touch points in order for someone to feel most comfortable to buying something from you. So by ensuring that they get a notification whenever you're putting out new content, you have a lot more opportunities to create those 6 to 8 touch points. So by promoting a future video, and that requires a lot of planning, of course, to map out your content strategy way in advance so you can actually know what's your next video going to be about. This makes sure that you get a ton of more subscribers and you quickly grow your touch points and you're getting more paying clients and customers for your business. Now, if you want to learn more about how to implement this exact strategy on LinkedIn, you might want to check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I go into way more depth how to do this, how to find your audience, how to create just the right content, how to map up your content strategy to attract the right people, then creating those 6 to 8 touch points in order for them to convert to customers. Now, if you want to learn more about how to generate leads for your business, you can check out my next video where I talk about how to generate warm and hot leads for a local brick and mortar business. So if you want to watch this, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.